Welcome to the video lecture series of operating system. In today's session, we are going to start one new topic, which is nothing but Unix or Linux operating system. Myself, Kunal Panchal, your instructor. In this particular session, we are going to start Linux commands. But before going to start Linux command directly, first of all I need to tell something regarding Linux operating system. Those who are not familiar how to install Linux operating system in their machines, what they can do is, there are two options through which you can install Linux operating system in your machine. The first option, with the help of dual operating system, you can install Linux operating system, in which one operating system you have to use as Windows and second one is as Linux. Second option is what? Those who are already using Windows operating system, and those who are not, those who don't want to use dual operating system, what they can do is, what those who are not interested to format the existing OS and then they can install dual operating system. So such type of students can do they can go for second option. What is the second option? So once you already running with Windows, so there is one software that you have to download from the internet. It is freely available, called VirtualBox, and VirtualBox you have to install first in your machine, and once you install the VirtualBox, on the VirtualBox you have to install Linux operating system in it. There are various Linux operating systems are available in the market. One is, and Linux is open source operating system. It is freely available. So you can easily download any version of Linux easily from the internet. So there are various flavors of Linux. One is Fedora, second one is Red Hat, third one is Kali Linux, fourth one is Ubuntu. Okay, so etc. So there are various types of Linux flavors we have. So you have to install any of these Linux operating system installed on the VirtualBox, and then you can use the Linux operating system by using the VirtualBox software. Okay, so once you successfully install the Linux operating system, now you have to log in first, and once you logged in successfully, you have to open one terminal. So the terminal will look like this. Okay, so there is one option, or we say icon we have, through which you can easily open the terminal mode in the Linux operating system, where you can fire the certain commands that you want. And one more option, if you don't know how to go there, so there is one shortcut on the keyboard. You can press Control Alt T. Control Alt T option is available, of this shortcut is available, through which you can directly open the terminal. Okay, once you open the terminal, you will have such type of environment, in which the first statement, or we can say first command, before going to discuss the commands, the first Kunal @ Kunal, what it means actually, it means what Kunal is nothing but the home directory that I have created at the time of installing the operating system, Linux operating system, and the second kernel is more after installing that the operating system that I have created that directory. Okay, so and dollar prompt is nothing but right now we are in bash shell or we say bourne shell. It is default shell and it is also represents we are in user mode. We are not in the root mode, we can say. Fine. So now let us discuss some basic Linux commands. We are starting with basic Linux commands, and then we'll see the advanced commands of Linux operating system. Okay, so let us start with first directory command. So as you know very well in Windows, you are creating a folder. So the folder is represented in Linux in terms of directory. Okay, it is called as directory. It is not a folder. Yes, the folder that we are using in Windows that can be represented in terms of directory in the case of Linux. So if you want to create a directory, so for that you have to fire one command. The command name is mkdir. That is nothing but mk stands for make, dir stands for directory. So make directory command you have to fire. And once you use that command, then space, you have to mention the name of the directory that you want to create. So I have mentioned Kernel in this case. So and once you mention the name of the directory, then you need to press the enter. And once you press the enter, this command will be successfully executed. Now, how we can come to know that whether this directory is created or not? So for that we need to have one more command called ls. ls stands for list, means it will show the current content or if you say current content of existing directory. So right now we are in Kernel directory. So in this particular directory, how many files and how many folders are there that if you want to see. So for that you need to have this ls command. Okay, so once you fire ls, so you can see one directory called Kernel is there. So there are two types of notations we have in this case, or representation we can say we have in Linux. The directory will be represented in terms of blue color, and the ordinary files or this is sensitive files will be represented in terms of white color. So you can see the second line ls, it will show the output in the third line. In these first two are directories and remaining list are nothing but files. Okay. One more command we have change directory cd. If you want to jump from one directory to another directory, so there is one command called cd space directory name. So if I want to go into the directory Kernel, so cd space Kernel I need to mention, and once you press enter, now you are in Kernel directory. Now again you need to fire ls command. So there is no file or case folder there is no file or case subdirectories that I have created in this particular directory, because I have recently created this directory. So now within this directory, suppose I need to create the subdirectories. So with the help of mkdir, with the help of a single command, you can create multiple subdirectories like mkdir space directory 1, directory 2, directory 3 and so on. So with the help of this single command, you can create 3 subdirectories within Kernel directory. So if you want to see, you need to fire the ls as I told you. So once you fire ls, so it will show the directories list. Okay. Now if I want to see my present working directory, means what? Right now I am working in which particular directory. So if you want to see the path of current working directory, so you have to fire pwd. Pwd stands for what? Print working directory. So that is that command we have. Okay, so it show me the home/kernel/kernel means what? This is the path in which I logged in. Okay, fine. Then if you want to come back to one level up, so it means what, right now I'm in Kunal, I need to go to my the superior directory, or we can say one level up. So I need to fire this command cd space dot dot. If you fire this command, it means what, you will go one level up. So now we are in the previous Kunal directory. Okay. And if you want to display the current working directory, so there is one more option we have. Okay, cd space hyphen. So again it will show the current working directories path. Fine. Then if you want to, suppose if you have a directory and if you want to create one more directory, like in directory 1 I need to create one more directory called directory 2. So mkdir simple directory 2 I need to create. Then you can fire ls command, because in directory 2 there is no suppose those last 3-4 commands, okay, say rows, you can observe. If I want to go to one level up, in that case I need to use cd space dot dot. But if I want to go to 2 level up, okay, it means what, not only previous directory but previous to previous directory. If I want to reach to that directory directly, so what I need to do is, first of all I need to go to the directory number 2, which is created in directory number 1, and directory number 1 is located in the Kunal directory. Fine. So if I want to directly reach to a Kunal directory, what I need to do is, or is in directory 1. So in this case, what I need to do is, I need to fire cd space dot dot slash dot dot. This is the syntax through which you can go 2 level up. So right now you can have this directory number, say for example 2, directory number 1, and then you can see directory number 1 contains this directory number 2. Okay. So in this way you can use the cd command, where make directory. You can use this command, okay, to create a directory. If you want to see the present working directory, we have a pwd command. Okay. Now if you once you created one directory and if you want to remove it, so there is one more command we have, rmdir. Rm stands for what? Remove. Dir stands for directory. So remove directory number 2. Okay. So this command you need to fire, and this command will work when you have the empty directory. Means if directory do not contain any file or any subdirectory, then this command will work. Okay, so in this case directory 2 contain nothing, so that's why this command is successfully executed. So you can see once you fire ls, afterwards it show me nothing. Fine. Now suppose one more directory I have created, directory called 3 in directory number 1, and I need to fire ls. So directory 3 is created successfully. Now I need to come back to one level up. So again I need to go to Kunal directory. So cd space dot dot, one level up for cd. For that you need to use cd space dot dot. Okay, then again need to fire ls command. So now I am in Kunal directory. Okay. Now what I need to do is, I need to remove the directory 1, which is not empty, because directory 1 contains some directory called directory 3. So if I am using rmdir space directory number 1, this command will not work. Means what, once you fire this, it will generate an error like directory is not empty. So this command won't work, as I told you. If the particular directory is empty, then this command will work. But if it is not empty, in that case, what you need to do? Still, if you want to remove that directory, so what you need to do? So instead of rmdir, you need to use rm space hyphen r. Hyphen r option you need to use. Means r is nothing but recursive. recursive option you need to use. So rm space hyphen r, then directory name you need to specify that you want to remove. Okay, and once you fire this, it means what this recursive operation will perform the delete operation first on the subdirectory, and then delete operation will be performed on the that directory that you want to remove. So first of all, it will work on the content of the directory, means what removal operation will be performed on the subdirectory first, and then the outer directory will be removed. So that's why it is called recursive. Fine. Okay. So now you can fire ls command. You can see there is no dir1 present in this particular directory. Now the next one is nothing but, as I told you, ls command, through which you can list out the set of directories and files. Okay. Now suppose one more options we have while removing the directory. If you did one mistake to remove the directory and that directory cannot come back, and if you want to avoid this such type of problem, what you can do is we will have one option we have. rm-r we have used, means what recursively it will be removed. Even though it is not empty, it will remove. Fine. But suppose if I am removing any directory, first of all it will ask me for confirmation whether you really want to remove this directory or not. So if it means what I need to have the interactive, means what at runtime, at execution time, it will ask me whether you really want to remove this directory or not. So what I need to do is, if I want to do these things, rm-ir, r stands for what? Recursive, and I stands for what? Interactive. So hyphen I is nothing but interactive in nature. So it means what? At runtime, while you press enter by firing this command, it will ask you at runtime whether you want to remove this directory or not. If you say no, it means what? That command will not be executed. But if you say yes, definitely it will be executed. So you can see by firing ls command, you can observe, yes, if you press n, the directory will not be removed, and if you say yes, directory will be removed from the existing directory. Okay. Now one more command we have called man command. Man is nothing but man stands for manual. Means this command is for helping the users. Means if user don't know the syntax and what are the different options available with the help of particular command, if you want to see, you can use this command man. Man is a command space. The syntax is what? Man space command name you need to fire. Whatever the command help you need to have at the end, that command name you need to fire in this case. Suppose in this case I have fired man space cal. Cal is nothing but calendar. Okay, so cal is one more command. Okay, that you will see in the upcoming session. But in this case we are going to discuss the manual of calendar. So you can see once you fire this command, it will show me the syntax of the calendar command, description, what calendar will do, display the calendar. Okay, it will display the calendar. Once you fire this command, it will give the syntax, it will give the description with the various options, like if you use cal command with -j, means what? The calendar of a particular month will be displayed in Julian form. So Julian calendar will be displayed. If you use -h, means what? It will turn off the highlighting of the particular day. That is by default setting. If you want to change it, -h you need to use with help of cal command. So these manual is available for each and every command that we have in Linux. So if you want to see the various options and the syntax of a particular command and what this command can do, okay, so all these information is available with the help of this main command. Okay, so these are some basic commands in Linux. In later session we will discuss some more commands. Okay, so I hope it was clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.